Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of September 28, 2020. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term price direction for swing trading so that they can make a bigger profit potential. Last couple of weeks, as I warning you that September will be bad for the stock market, as we are seeing right now the market is in the correction cycle. In the short term, we have a short-term bounce back on Friday, but we are not out of the woods yet. We will continue to monitor by looking at the chart and show you where they may go next. Last week, you can see that more new coronavirus case happened in Europe and US. The unemployment figure is higher than expected, and the jobless claim is disappointed a little bit. But in the other hand, for durable goods, we jumped 4 months straight, which is good for the market. And another good thing is the stimulus packet is back on the table for the debate. So if that one is be able to go through, that's a good sign for the market to turn around. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and so that you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand that it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so that we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time, so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's take a look at the chart so that you can see where the market is heading to. So right now, if you look at the SBY chart, so you can see that on Friday, the last couple of weeks, the market going down. On Friday, the market is trying to turn around, but technically, this is yet a rebound. We still below 50-day moving average. So let's see next week where the market is heading to, so that we can see the market be able to gain some momentum, okay, to turn around and put it higher, or this is yet another rebound and continue to the downside. In the short term, you can see that the market is trying to go back up. If the market be able to clear this level here, we can get up to upper level here. But if not, then we have to watch out, because the market is still continue to do low, high, low, low. And if you look at the E-mini SP 500 future in the short term, the market is trying to turn around on Friday. After they found a support at the buy zone here, they put it back up, and the momentum right now is to try to put it back up. If we be able to clear the downtrend line here, and we take out the resistance line here, we have some more room to put it upside. And if you look at the Dow it also found a support at the buy zone, and then they put it back up. So in order for them to go higher, they have to clear the downtrend line here in order to tell you the market be able to push it higher. And the NQ it also put a very strong momentum on Friday. They were able to break out this downtrend line, push it back up. Right now they try to retest the previous swing high here. If they can clear this one here, we can have some more momentum in the upside. Otherwise, we have to watch out for the downtrend line here. And Russell 2000 it also found a support at the buy zone. They put it back up, so they have some resistance waiting for them up into that level. Gold is also stabilized at this level right now. If they be able to break this downtrend line here, they will have more momentum, and they have a lot of resistance waiting for them in the upside also. And oil is still go sideways, as you can see here on both time frame. They are going nowhere. They stick between a $39 and $41 here. So if they be able to push back up and take out this high here, they can get up to test the 50-day moving average there. Bond it still going sideways. They try to break out, but technically they still below the 50-day moving average. So if they push it down below the downtrend line, bond will continue to go downside. But if bond is able to go above the 50-day moving average, it's bad for the market. The market will have more downside to come. Euro, it also puts it back down right now at last week. They will continue to go to the downside, and with a strong dollar, they grip a pressure on the euro. So let's see if the dollar pull back, and this one can put back up. If the dollar continue to the upside, this one will continue to go lower to test the 50-day moving average there. The Bitcoin, after they found the support at the buy zone, they try to put it back up, and then we do see the resistance at this level here waiting for them. If you look at a lot of stock that we see this week, some of the technology stock that they try to rebound on Friday, like Apple. Okay, after big sell up, and at beginning of September they come down, and now they try to stabilize and try to find a way to push it back up in the short term. INTU into another one that try to bounce back up. BAND. Let's see another one. It gains some momentum with the upside. And this week we'll focus on the airline sector. As you can see that the U.S. airline sector will be closely watched. If we can see that if the government they will release the relief packet, and if that packet arrive before October 1st, it will help a lot of airline stock like Southwest Airlines, okay, Delta Airlines, okay, and American Airlines, okay, United Airlines. So those companies are just waiting for some good news so that they can rebound from the bottom. And this week we also watch out on the earning. A lot of top earning like MU, right? Micron Technology. Okay, Micron Technology is also earning, and then electric vehicle like Tesla. Okay, they could post the Q3 earning by October 1st. So let's see the Tesla so that you can see that if they coming out with a good earning posted, and then they can put you back up. And electric like NIO, okay, they stuck in the rainbow here. They will tell their fate by this week. And in the bio this week is the World of Conquest. They run from September 28th to October 1st on the bio sector. So this one will tell you a lot of stock in this sector like INO. Okay, they'll be able to again continue the momentum in the upside. Okay, and VAX. Okay, that's another one. It try to stabilize mRNA for the COVID-19 vaccine. And this is another different bio company. They also gain some momentum. TWST. That's another strong one. Okay, and the retail store, there's a lot of stock that still hold up very well. Dollar General, like we show you, and Target, TGT. Okay, Target also after people take some profit, now they gain some momentum again. And this week at BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, they also are now earning. So this is another stock that they have been continued momentum in the upside. And NKE, Nike, after they run up good earning, people take some profit. They found some support over there. And Department of Transportation is still doing very well. As you can see that like IYT, this one is after they took some profit, they turn around and put it back up. And the transportation is still doing well. They're leading by FDX, FedEx, as you can see here, still strong. And UPS is still strong. This is high demand for the online order, so they are still doing extremely well. Okay, there will be a lot of more that we analyze in our live trading room every day for our members. So if you are not our member, please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you know where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to day trade as well as swing trade by using our modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And again, if you like what I'm doing here for you every week, please give me a thumb up so that give me some motivation so I can do more for you guys every week. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you during the week.